36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's no reading, talking, eating, sleeping, communicating with family members. Make sure all your surroundings are quiet. And when your name is called, please give your undivided attention to the court. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Petway, and good morning, Mr. Beck.
Good morning, Your Honor.
The people versus Eva Romero Perez, ticket number P1333086. Count 1, allowing unlicensed drivers to drive. Good morning. Please state your names for the record, starting with Attorney Beck.
Romero.
Diga su apellido.
Eva Romero.
And Mr. Beck, state your name.
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
State your name, Mr. Beck.
Oh, I'm sorry. For the record, Peter Beck, BEC, on behalf of defendant Ms. Romero-Perez, bar number P10598.
Okay, I see there's an offer of a 3-month delayed sentence. Mr. Beck, does your client wish to avail herself to that offer?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so Ms. Romero Perez, can you raise your right hand?
Yeah.
Let the connection.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yeah.
You can put your, are you saying yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Beck in private about your case and your right.
Yes.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
No.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to direct your attention to the date of March 28, 2022 at 4:08 p.m. On that date and at that time, were you at or near the location of Livernois and Puritan in the city of Detroit?
No.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. It's on the
Were you driving a 2008 Chevrolet vehicle?
No. Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No.
Well, I'm sorry. Let me go back. Do you have a 2008 vehicle?
Yes.
Chevrolet?
Yes.
Did you allow someone else to drive that vehicle on that date and time?
Yes.
Okay, I'm sorry about that. You're satisfied, Mr. Beck?
Yes, I'm satisfied, Your Honor.
I'm also satisfied with factual basis. Will accept the admission. This is going to be set for a 3-month delayed sentence. So Ms. Romero Perez, there's going to be a fine of $200 that's going to be due on, 1 second. September 12th. Will you have to come back on that day, September 12th at 8:35? You can't have any more tickets. Don't allow anyone else who's unlicensed to drive your car. No violations, no citations, anything. You pay the $200, this will be dismissed. Do you have any questions, ma'am?
No.
Okay, you are all set.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome, my love.
Your Honor,
Yes, Mr. Beck.
there's also a matter of Andre Romero. You have that on your document
I
as
can't.
well? Andre Romero?
You have another one?
Yes.
Okay,
That's
give
just-
me 1 moment. Okay, give me 1 moment.
Only 2 last names.
It's Eva Romero.
Only one of them was on the docket. Was it 2 Perez's on the docket, Darnell?
It is, let me see. I do believe it was. Hold on.
I only seen the 1 Perez. What's the other case number,
The
counsel?
other case number, ticket number is 1333066.
I can't hear you. You breaking up.
The last name is Romero, Andre Romero. There's no Perez with the companion defendant.
Mejia.
That's what I just did.
I see Eva Romero, but not Andre.
I have a different report.
Do you have a case number, counsel?
I just have a ticket number.
What's the ticket number?
It's 1333066.
That's not a case number of ours.
That's the ticket number. And that was issued again on March 28, 2022, the same as Romero Perez.
You have a driver's license number, sir?
No, sir, I have the,
Okay, I don't have that name on the docket, so I don't know how I'm gonna help you if I don't have that name on the docket and I can't pull it up.
okay,
I have a different report here.
so I'll check, I guess I'll check with the clerk's office, see what happened with that one.
Okay,
Okay,
all right, thank you.
thank you. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome, Mr. Beck. Have a good one, sir.
Thank you.
And Mr. Ratliff, on the matter of Todd Roach, the people and defense counsel are stipulating to an adjournment, if the court will accept.
That's fine. Did you need to go on the record for that?
I don't think so, Your Honor.
Judge, we were looking at either July 13th or 14th, whichever, if that's acceptable to the court, whichever date. I think both of us can make either of those dates work. So whatever works best for the court, we just are at your discretion.
Roach is scheduled for a free trial.
Yes, and we will, we're gonna continue to communicate about the issue offline.
Okay. Yes, it's true. They went to buy it.
Did we just get a date?
We can't, I don't think we can adjourn anymore. You can set it for a trial.
Well, we're trying to resolve this short of trial, Judge. So, I mean,
I know, but we're gonna go over time. So you want to just set it for a bench trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
I guess. I mean, if sure, I guess.
All right, so you, Mr. Petway, you can bring Mr. Roach in.
I did. Unmute Mr. Roach and turn on your video.
Oh, okay. All right, we can go on the record.
36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's no talking, reading, eating, sleeping, chewing up gum. When your name is called, give your undivided attention to the court. Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, good morning, Mr. Petway. This is the People versus Todd Roach, ticket number B501180, count 1, operating a food establishment, restaurant without a license. Ticket number B501181, count 1, failure to secure inspectors required to obtain a business license. Good morning, please take your names for the record, starting with attorney, I don't know, Ms. Horn, did you want to take your name for the record, starting with People?
Yes, I can, Your Honor. Thank you. Tamika Horn, appearing on behalf of the people, P70303.
may it please this honorable court. Good morning, Byron Pitts, P59079, ready on behalf of Mr. Roach, who is present today. He appears on Zoom and he consents to having this hearing conducted over Zoom today. Is that true, Mr. Roach?
You're muted, Mr. Roach.
There we
Unmute
go.
yourself, Mr. Roach.
That is correct.
Okay.
Take your name for the record, sir.
Todd Roach.
I know that there were some negotiations off the record, and I know that Mr. Pitts was requesting an adjournment of the pretrial, which we can't do that. So it's my understanding, Mr. Pitts, your client is willing to waive his right to a jury and set this for a bench trial?
Yes, we would do that, Your Honor. I'd respect, yes, we do ask for a bench trial.
Okay. All right, Mr. Rhodes, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Please put your hand down, sir. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No. I'm just confused on what's going on.
Here, Judge, let me do this. Can I go into a breakout room with him? Because we really thought we were setting it up for another pretrial. So if I can get 2 minutes in a breakout room, it might go a little faster.
Okay.
Okay, you can click the screen, Mr. Roach, and go back into your waiting room, breakout room. You can go back, type the screen and return to breakout room number 13, I'm sorry. Mr. Pitts, I put you in breakout room 13 with your client.
Okay.
Mr. Petway, can I have a breakout room with Ms. Horn, please?
Okay, hold on.
Thank you.
Mr. Pitts, breakout room 13.
Judge, I think we were ready on Juan Delgado
Um,
Valdez. We were going to request a bench trial.
Hold on,
Okay.
Mr. Roach, tap your screen and go back to breakout room 13.
Where is that at?
Okay, you tap your screen and it should say join. Never mind, I'll move you.
I'm sorry.
That's okay, I'll move you.
What's the name, Judge?
Mr. Dan Worthing.
Delgado. What's your client's name, Mr. Worthing, again? I see it.
Morning, Lewis. It's
Is he on the
Delgado
docket
Valdez.
today?
He's in 14.
He's what?
He's in breakout room 14. It's
No, he's
Juan
on the
Delgado
docket today.
Valdez.
What's the case number?
It is Z808-6451.
The 808-6451.
Yes, sir.
And Miss Richardson, Shirley Richardson, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room, wait there patiently, attorney will be in there to speak with you momentarily. I'll put you in breakout room number 5. Do not answer your phone or let it disconnect from the Zoom hearing.
All right, dear, thanks.
Mhm.
What date you trying to get on that, Mr. Worthing? Because it was scheduled for a show cause July the 19th.
Oh, right today I thought it was set for a pretrial, so we were just trying to set it for a bench trial. I didn't know about a show cause.
Is that the only ticket he has, right?
That's my understanding, yes.
Yeah, it was set for a show cause July the 19th, but we can set it for a trial.
Okay. Because we were here for the arraignment. I think the arraignment was
Juan Delgado.
on May 23rd.
You see him on the document?
No, I don't see him. I can't see him. Breakout room.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, this is the people versus Juan Delgado Valdez, ticket number Z808-6451. Count 1, operating with blood alcohol content of 0.17 or more. Good morning, please state your names for the record, starting with Attorney Worthing.
And good morning, Your Honor. May it please this honorable court, Ben Werbling, P64889 on behalf of the defendant.
Mr. Delgado, state your name, sir.
Juan Delgado Valdez.
He's gonna go.
It's my understanding, Mr. Worthing, your client wishes to waive his right to a jury and set this for a bench trial.
That's correct, Judge. I did explain to my client that he has an absolute right to have a jury trial. He wants to waive that right. He would prefer a trial before Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Delgado, can you raise your right hand, sir? Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Sí, yeah,
Are you saying yes?
yes, yes,
Okay, you can put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
yes,
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything to waive your right to a jury trial?
no,
You understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder?
yes,
All right, so the court's gonna continue your not guilty plea, set this for a bench trial for July, you said 13th? July 13th at 9 o'clock. Any questions?
Nothing further. Thank you very much, Judge, to you and your staff.
Thank you, Mr. Worthing. You're on set, Mr. Delgado.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a great rest of the day.
You too. Thank you, Mr. Worthing. Anyone
Thank
else
you.
ready? Mr. Kalinda, you're not ready? Good morning, sir.
Your Honor, if I could have a breakout room with Ms. Horn?
Yeah. I think,
Okay.
she's back. Okay.
Okay, Mr. Tylinda, I'll put you in breakout room number 1.
Thank you so much.